Fire. There's Vixen. Vixen! Hi, babe. You ever got a campfire? Here's Daddy. Hi, Mike. It's very dark. I can't see. Whatever. That's the water right there.
And
Can't
moving
really
the opposite direction.
Oh, it floats.
It's going this way now.
Oh, of course. That's
While we're
called.
up there, it's starting to change over. That's what.
It's called tides go in and out, baby. It's nice. You just pick up our kayaks and go right over to the water. You can't really see right now. I'll get another video. Can't see. It's getting dark. Toasty.